The next section is dimension. We will introduce how to create proper dimension and tolerance, how to define or change the dimension attribute, add annotation and symbol, and some skills. First, take a look at Style Manager. In this manager, we can define dimension standards and detail style. So, how to customize it? I'll show you the steps. Step 1. Define the style attribute. For example, linear style. You can choose to change some parameters, like position, text position, click the Text tab, and you can change the text shape value. Then click Save As, give it a name, add ZWSoft as the postfix. Change chamfer style, define precision type, and modify text shape. These values are the same as before. And save as the new style. Step 2. Select the needed styles. And then save as a new standard. Activate it. Now add dimension for these views. First, use Quick Dimension command. Pick the points to create length dimension. First section is 49. Second one is 110. Third one is overall length, 394. For the other side, the first one is 40. And second one is 130. Add dimension for broken section views. This one is 9.4. Add the diameter symbol. Then it comes to the other side. Repeat the operations we just did. Use another method to add the diameter symbol. Here, you can add some special characters. Right-click on ribbon bar. Select Toolbars and find Dim Tools to bring up the Quick Dimension tools. Apply it. It is very convenient. Create others. The middle part is diameter 70. The fourth section is diameter 65. The smaller one is diameter 55. Now, add dimensions for these cross-section views. Section A, the width of key groove is 14. This height distance is 60. Section B, width is the same, 14. Height distance is 50. Add the tolerance for it. Set the tolerance type and zero tolerance display type. Upper tolerance is 1. The lower is 0.2. Modify this one. Just copy attribute from other objects. Then, hide quick dimension toolbar. Next, add some chamfer dimension. Click chamfer. Select chamfer line and define position. The chamfer is 2x 45 degree. For the other side, chamfer dimension is the same. We can use a new text format, C1 and show prefix. Then it will be displayed as C2. Except these different dimensions, we will add some annotation such as label, feature control, symbol, datum, and so on. First, add a label for the whole feature. Define the locations. Input the text in the editor. Insert the needed symbol and input the whole parameters, including diameter value and depth value. This is a counter bore. Now finish. You can also modify the text attribute. For example, height is 2.5, width is 0.75, and gap is 0.2. This is the final result. Second, create a datum symbol. Define the datum name, select the target entity, and define the text position. Change into another display type to finish. Next, add a feature control symbol. In this editor, select the needed symbol, concentricity, define the tolerance, diameter 0.06, and add datum A. Click OK. Define the location points. This is the example for feature control symbol. Next, add center mark for those cross-section views. Select the arc and suitable type. Create another one. Add center line for the front wheel. Pick two lines. Modify the extension length value. and use another line width type. Finish. Last, add service finish symbol for these views. Define the location point, adjust the orientation to get the needed one. Select the symbol type and input the value information. This one is 1.6. Create others. Second one is located on shoulder surface, and the value is 3.2. Third one is on the middle part. Repeat the operations, and the value is 12.5. Add them on cross-section views. For side surface, this value is 3.2. For bottom surface of key groove is 6.5. For the other one, the requirements are the same, so just repeat the operations and type in the value. Last thing is adding some technical requirements. Choose tab drawing and click text. Define the location point, and then input the text information according to the real demands. For example, you can write a technical requirement here. So far, these 2D sheets is finished. You can save it.